Today we'll be making some gluten-free protein cookies. You'll be starting off with measuring your at least 1.5 cups of oats and pulsing it up into flour. Start by measuring out at least 1 cup of this mixed up flour now. Try not to spill much. Epic fail. Talking about epic fail right there, but the protein powder I'm using is from Allmax, but if you're a vegan and you want to use a vegan friendly one, you can definitely use a vegan friendly protein powder in this. You need to have 3 scoops of protein powder. Breakfast of chops. Booyah! Like I've been saying with the protein powder, if you're vegan and you want to use a vegan substitute for the egg whites, you can most definitely can. With the egg yolks, with the egg whites, you need to have 4 egg whites, and for this, at least 1. 2 egg whites equivalent of a tablespoon. The 4 egg whites would be roughly 1/3 of a cup. Just pour it all in, and to have some of your fruit for the day, you need to have a banana. Also, if you're monkey watching this, go back to the zoo. It may not look like it, but at least 1/2 cup of peanut butter. And if you're Seth MacFarlane, whoever made it to Family Guy, it's peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. And a splash of vanilla. And enough water to keep all of this moist. When your oven is getting preheated to 350, you can start to form your cookies and put them on your pan. As I would make a very pan joke about, I don't know, it failed. And bake for 10 to 15 minutes until nice and golden. If after 15 minutes that they're not done, you can put the broiler on and make sure you watch them very carefully until they're really nice and puffed up like this. And then take them out and it'll be so nice and puffed up and so gooey inside, which is good. And that's what you want to have for your protein cookies. Yummy.